To HK Vlogs friends in Excel Learning series. Thank you so much for watching and giving such a good response for the previous videos. Now, as we know that in the last video we have learned drag and drop. In this video we are going to learn the formatting. Okay, and as you know that how to open an Excel, hit the Windows key on the laptop or on your computer and type Excel. It will open up Excel. Alright, let's start with this one. Okay, now as we see that this is a simple text that we have written, how to make it beautiful and how to make it attractive so that it can catch the eye's vision. So now if you take a look here, that you can start writing the headings here, the serial number, name, subject, total marks, and marks obtained. It totally depends on you what kind of headings that you would like to give to your data. Now, so we have the serial numbers here, and here we have the names: Rhonda, Sarah, Roger, Peter, Amanda, Suzanne, John, Chris, Bob, and Tom, and their respective subjects. Okay, so let me just write subjects. Okay, then they have the total marks, and this data is defining the numbers obtained by all these people in different subjects out of 100. Now these are the marks obtained out of this, so let's make it a beautiful table now, beautiful data. So if I show you that this let's show that how the data looks like. If you take a look here, you will see that data would be like this. You see how attractive it is? Okay, look at this. So we are going to make the same data, and how we are going to do that, let's see. Okay, as you see here at the top that we are in the home tab. Okay, we already know what is cut, copy, and format painter. If not, then please watch my previous videos in which we discussing about these options: cut, copy, paste, and then this paste special. Alright, so let's talk about this data formatting bar here. Now this is the complete bar which we are going to use under the home menu. Alright, so we as soon as the first thing in Excel that has to be done is to write down your complete data, enter the complete data. Once it is done, then the formatting is required. Okay, so that to make that data visible, to make that data attractive. Now the first thing that we will do here, that we will select this particular cell, and then how we do that, just click here and then press the left mouse button and then move it to the right side. So this complete thing is highlighted. What we are going to do now, we are going to go to the first option here which shows the font. Now what kind of font is it? So if we just click on the drop down arrow, you will see this, and if you take a look at the back, you will see that the things are getting changed, the style is getting changed. If not, let me just zoom it out. Okay, let me just make it a zoom. As we know, the zooming would be here. I think it's better, it's visible now. Okay, here we go. So if you take a look here on the serial number, you will see that it's going to change. Why it's not changing now? Why it is not changing? The reason is because the text is not selected. To format any particular row, to format any particular column, or to format any particular cell, the cell selection has to be completed. Now we are formatting serial number, name, this particular row, so we have to select the entire row till the place where the text is. Okay, so we will go till marks obtained. Now then we go here and we will start seeing that the fonts. Take a look here at the marks obtained in this place. Okay, marks, you can see the marks are changing. So this is how, whatever you like, you can make it like that. I like this one, which shows Algerian, so we'll stay here. And if you bring here, okay, this shows a different kind of pictures. So if you select this one, which means that nobody can understand what exactly has been written unless they change the formatting. Okay, let's go back here. And most of the time that we use this Arial black, that's the normal one. Arial black comes with the bold one. Let's go back and we'll select Algerian. This one, this looks good, and then select it, left click again, or hit enter from the keyboard. Now look at this, how beautiful it looks like. And if you take a look here earlier, it was like this. Now, and how did I check that? Just pressing the control key and then hitting on the Z key. Control Z does the undo thing. And then if you would like to go back, you need to press the control and then press Y, which is redo. Alright, so this is about the headings. Now let's come here, and suppose the digits are not visible and we have to increase the size of that. Then click on this and you can do it like this. Okay, because the number size is increasing, obviously the cell size will increase, the row size will increase. Okay, so let's make it 14. Okay, that is the, now this is 11, so which means that it is not matching, so let's make them 14 as well. Let's see how it goes. So again, left click and then drag it like this and then go there and then click on 14. Okay, so now it's matching with that. Now if you see that Amanda's A is hiding behind this particular column, so just come here. As soon as this sign becomes, left click on the mouse and just drag it on the right side. Okay, it's how it would. Same goes for economics and geography, like that. So it's looking much better than earlier. All right, now let's talk about these fonts. What these fonts are increasing the font size of the text. Okay, now let's click on this, and if you take a look at one particular number, just click on it and you will see the size of CR is getting increased. If you would like to bring it down, then you can bring it down like this. Okay, so you also, once you click on this, you will see that if you do not want to do the drop down, so if you see that the size of this particular text is 16 but the other sizes are 14, so let's bring down. Now this is equal. Okay, now let's go about this bold. Okay, what does a bold do? If you select any particular text, if you want to make the text bold, then this, and simple as you can see, you can do it by Control and B. Alright, so this is Control B. If you bring your cursor here, it will also show the Control plus B in the text. That is a shortcut key. Now suppose if you do not want to do it like this, just selecting this, just do the Control Z, then come here, select again, and then Control B. You can see the difference is Control bold, then Control Y, Control Z. Okay, now how to, if you do not want to click on the left click of your mouse and you want to come to 93, then you can simply do how, just click here, click on the shift key and then Control and then the end key, so which means Control plus shift plus end key, and this complete text would be highlighted. And then for the bold, as you know, and if you remember, it's Control plus B. Okay, it's the complete bold. Now let's talk about the italic. Italic is the same, just click here, Control Shift and it will select the complete text area. Italics, it slants the text like this. Now if you would like to underline, it totally depends on the text that you want to underline. So you can select it here and click on underline. You can see that there is a line at the bottom. If you do that, then there will be double line. Okay, now if see the maths, this particular column is selected. If I do the double line, it will comes under math. You can see the change. Look at this. This is how it is. Right, let's do the Control Z. Okay, now let's talk about this particular borders. This would be, just select this, go there at the bottom, and then click on borders. Now you will see that the rest of the cell are normal and these cells are highlighted. Okay, now let's come to the color part. Okay, select this, go to end, till end, then click on this. This is fill color, which means that it will fill the color of the cell. I will click on this. See, this is how it is. Even after filling the cell, if you would like to remove the formatting, you can easily do that. Like suppose you do not want this double line, you can just go here and you can just click on that. There is no line, only italic is it, right? So let's take a look here how that color looks like. Okay, yellow, then we have green, and then we have amber. Okay, let's go back. So this, select the bottom, go here, go to the green, and a green color, then go to Ronda. So whatever color you would like to choose, it really depends on you. Now these are the different fill colors. Okay, so you can choose either of on your choice. See, you can take a look here how the color is changing like this. And if you would like to change the text while this complete column is highlighted, the text is highlighted, you can go to the text color, you can make it red. So which means that fill color, this is the fill color where you see this kind of little bucket with the color falling out of it, and then you see the text, and then you see the bottom, and then you can change the colors. So the same ways, likewise, you can select these two together and you can fill the color the way you want. Suppose let's make it black. Oh, you cannot see anything if you click here. See, so what you need to do, select here, come down and just select the color as white. Look at Mamma Mia, it's looking good. Again, you can come down, change the color, make it like this, and then go here, select all cells together by mouse, and then go to fill, choose any of the color that you want. Even if you would like to select a color of your choice, then you can come here and you can just bring it like this. If you want a different kind of color, by your style like this, and then click OK. You can see. So we are done here with the formatting. We are done with this particular part where we see the font styles, the size by the small keys, bold, italic, underline, double line, and then we see this particular all borders, fill color, and then text color. All right, so guys, you can try by yourself. You can look at the data here, you can try to play with the colors, fill colors and the text colors. Thank you so much for watching.